Hey guys, blessings, blessings. I'm waiting for some more people to come on. I got something I have to address. Blessings, blessings to everybody. Don't forget to double tap on the screen, give a thumbs up. I have something I have to address. I have something I have to address. Big up to father and son. Guys, go check them out. Go check out Princess AGTV. Also, check out Oliver Unfiltered. I have something I have to address. I'm not the type of person to address things, but this I gotta address. But I'm waiting for some more people to come in. Come on in, come on in. Don't forget to double tap on the screen. Click the video. Guys, please go check out Princess AGTV. I want you to go check out Father and Son. Also, Colorsmith. I have something I have to address. I need some more people to come in. And I want to big up Father and Son for highlighting this. Father and Son, respect for that. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. You guys could check it out later on. Father and Son. I respect the video you put out about the Jamaican government not recognizing Colorsmith TV. That is something regular with the Jamaican government. The Jamaican government is so caught up in their own politics and their own bull. Not going to use that word. They are so caught up in their own bull that most of their famous people, the people who represent Jamaica, they never recognize them. And for example, father and son, I'm talking to you. For example, Bob Marley, one of the biggest icon in Jamaica. And when I say, okay, one of the biggest icon that was born in Jamaica, represent Jamaica. The government never recognized them. Bob Marley got his fame from overseas. The people who do great for Jamaica are the people who's great from Jamaica. Jamaican government never ever recognized them. Jamaican government recognized them after they see how much the world loved them. And that's going way back from Marcus Garvey, all of them. The Jamaican government has to wake up. The Jamaican government doesn't recognize its own people because they caught up in their own junk. They don't recognize the people who's there representing Jamaica. The Jamaican government only recognize their own. It's after these people make a big impact and show and highlight Jamaica. That's when the government want to recognize them. Okay? For example, we talking about now Color Smith TV. People go check him out. The Jamaican government never recognized Color Smith, don't recognize Color Smith TV. Every other country that he goes to recognize him. St. Vincent, the prime minister slash president of St. Vincent recognized Color Smith TV. Color Smith came to the United States for the first time. Went to Florida. Got recognized. But the United States government, I'm sorry, the Jamaican government, sorry. The Jamaican government doesn't see the good that he's doing. I've seen what he did with the hurricane in Jamaica, and other YouTubers followed him and tried to do the same thing. I've seen what he did, the hurricane in St. Vincent. I haven't seen no YouTubers done that. I've seen what he's doing with the homeless. The people that branches out from him in that Portland area, J-Boy the Baker, he's doing that. Miss Lickle Hot Kitchen doing the same thing. Helping out the unfortunate. Why doesn't the Jamaican government recognize him? Simple fact is, maybe the Jamaican government feel shame. Maybe them ashamed because them say this a little man I do something with them big dirty government nah do. I don't know. Yeah, the government of Jamaica, or not the prime minister, or no run Jamaica, and you have one little man I do more than one I do in a one community. He's taking kids off the street, youth off this man I say kids, youth off the street. Him show them off a fish. You understand? Him show them off a fish. But the government not like that. Why isn't he being recognized by the government of Jamaica? Me just want to know that answer. And father and son, you bring up a good thing. This video is not long. I just want to comment on what you said. Why everybody else recognize what Colin Smith TV is doing, but the Jamaican government don't recognize it? Why all the artists, them Bob Marley, all these artists, famous artists, was recognized overseas before the Jamaican government? Just want to know that. Tourist board, why not recognize all these YouTubers? Color Smith TV, Drizzy Berg, all these YouTubers bringing in tourism into the country, which help the economy in the country. You don't recognize these people. I don't know why I recognize these big hotel and these big this and these big that. It's okay. Color Smith TV, big up yourself. Father and Son, big up yourself. Oliver Lifestyle, big up yourself. Oliver Unfiltered, big up yourself. It's just a question more for people to answer. Why doesn't the government recognize these people who's bringing in uh, all this economy? They're bringing in income because they come in, they book with these people. This the local, they spend money with the local in the local area. Them do this, them do that. Government don't recognize that. It's okay. Color Smith has been doing so much for Jamaica. Color Smith has been representing Jamaica. Everybody else recognize that, but the government. It's okay. No worry, colors. We recognize it. Again, big up Oliver Unfiltered, big up Oliver Lifestyle, big up Color Smith, big up Color Smith TV and the team. Father and Son, you bring this out. You do this video. I don't like talking about things and being political, but God bless everybody. Watch the ride. We see you. Colors, we see you. God bless you always.